This is what you need to mount a rain roof on the Olivin 2. The rain roof, tent pegs. You will also need 1 or 2 telescopic hiking sticks when mounting the rain roof. These are not included in the kit. It's also possible to use branches 115 to 135 centimeters long. Attach the rain roof to the Nordic tipi's accessory sleeve or use an accessory connector if your tipi does not have the accessory sleeve. The rain roof can be mounted in 2 different ways using 1 or 2 sticks. If using 1 stick, the middle eyelet is attached to the stick. Peg down the cord located at the eyelet. Then peg down the remaining 4 cords located at the corners of the rain roof. If using 2 sticks, use the 2 corner eyelets. Peg down the 4 cords located at the corners of the rain roof. Tighten the cords. The rain roof is not intended to resist strong winds and snow. Remove it in case of bad weather.